collaboration is in our hands. The old ways of labor no longer work. Unequal ground. Time unbound and unstoppable tax. Transactions over transaction. And inevitable overwork. Time has changed. A new way of working is here. Collaboration, sharing, and unity in its design. With conversations through reading or behind the screen, every minute is precious. Every second we appreciate. The work of equals will be what shines. In BRIEFER, we believe that together each of us can progress. We believe in relationship, not just transactions. We believe that great output comes from great collaboration. It is now in our hands. In BRIEFER, you can have the resources necessary. You can have amazing project to work on. Together, we can gain mutual benefit to achieve remarkable results. BRIEFER. Collaborate to progress.